Personalize, offer, profit. Custom Jewelry Expo.
Hey, do you want to test drive some models of the best micro welders on the market? Do you want to learn in person, hands-on, the essential techniques to welding successfully? Do you want to learn the secrets to hand stamping straight and making customized jewelry for your clients? Learn how to create a beautiful and simple, yet extremely profitable charm bar. If you want to do all those things and learn great techniques hands-on, have loads of fun with food and lots of drinks, well, come to my party. Stones and Bindings is throwing the world's very first Custom Jewelry Expo. Custom Jewelry Expo is an informal party with drinks, demos, hands-on lessons, and lots of chatting about what we all love, a hugely successful jewelry business. It is entirely about customizing jewelry because this trend is here to stay, and it is the key to future success for all brick and mortar businesses, salons, and pop-up events, any business hoping to offer jewelry. And I want to make this technology and all my knowledge accessible to as many people as possible. And from our YouTube channel, you can see that I freely share my knowledge and I believe in it and also having fun at the same time. So we decided to throw this party, invite friends over, and people can come in, try things in person, and we can answer questions, we'll network. So we're all going to have fun. At the CJX, there will be several models of micro welders for people to test drive and use. There will be hands-on in small groups, lessons on how to weld successfully and to use for permanent jewelry as well as customizing lengths. There'll be a talk on pop-ups and how to run successful ones, and then lessons on metals, everything you need to know about different types, hair, product knowledge, and how to educate your customers. And one of my favorites, marketing and business strategy. There'll be an info session on laser cutting and engraving. Also, lessons on how to hand stamp straight and evenly so that you can customize pendants and charms for your customers. As well, there will be lessons on how to create a charm bar inexpensively, effectively, and that is visually appealing. To provide the best possible experience for all attendees and ensure maximum benefit to students, we have to keep the numbers really small. We're going to do a 2-day event. Lessons are the same for both days. It's just replicated so that we can keep the groups smaller. Lessons are on a first come, first served basis. Some of them require sign up and they're going to be organized. Our attendees will get the maximum benefit out of this and have lots of fun and meet a lot of new friends.